Hello, in this video I'm going to guide you how to import your password to Bitwarden. So it's actually simple. What you're going to do is just log into your Bitwarden your Bitwarden account. After that, you go to tools and click on this downward arrow. After I click on it, then click on import. After I click on import, here at vault, select the vault that you want to import the password to. I'm going to select this demo one. After that, in the collection, select your collections. After that, then select your file type, whether it is CSV, JSON. There are so many file type. I'm going to use CSV as an example, as you can see. Then if you are using another file, not CSV, let's assume you are using JSON, then you can simply just click on this instruction. Then it will automatically show you the step-by-step on how to use the JSON file and import it to your Bitwarden vault. Now, after that, I'm gonna go back and change it to a CSV file. Then I'm gonna I've already have a sample CSV file that I'm gonna import. Then you just click on choose file. After I click on choose file, then just select your password. Then as you can see, if for any reason you are unable to choose the file, import it here, you can simply just open it manually and copy it, then paste it here. But since I can be able to choose the file, then I don't have to manually copy and paste it here. After that, just click on import, then it will automatically import the password to your Bitwarden. This was helpful. I've already imported, that's why I'm not importing it again, but it will be successful. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.